What's up, guys? Jeff and I hit my secret beaver pond today for some bass and bowfin action. Ended up catching lots of bass, 3 bowfin, and about 6 different species of panfish. Anyway, so stay tuned for some good action, and I hope you enjoy it, and we will be on the water in just a minute. What are you throwing?
All that.
You got one?
First cast, baby.
You know you're on video, don't you?
That's alright. Bass, large one.
That might be a bad sign.
Why?
First cast fish is all.
It works for me. Number one.
Hey, hold them out. It's not bad.
Sorry.
Cool. Fish on. Make sure that ain't no bowfin. No, it ain't no bowfin. Look at that grass in his mouth. Oh my God, he swallowed that.
Yeah, you really slurped.
Look at that.
Guess that's the one we were looking for.
The old frog did it. Another fish on Steve, don't get mad.
Yeah.
It's alright, it's better than nothing. A nice looking fish.
Yeah, this one's got the lip sore on it.
Probably from me the other day. Alright, that makes Jeff got how many? 2?
2 to 1.
There you go, another fish on. Steve's gonna be hating this.
Come here, buddy. I'll do the same one.
Alright, cool, good job. Alright, that makes about 3 or 4 for Jeff. Man,
Yeah.
I think so. He missed it. Bowfin on, guys. Don't be hating, Steve. Oh, it's right off.
That's up to spinner, buddy.
There he is.
Is that about 5 pounds?
Yeah, 4 or 5. There's your bowfin, guy. You like that?
It's good. I need to borrow some pliers.
Hey guys, I just caught this brim on a trout magnet. Look at that side. Now look at that side. Something grabbed him. He's lucky. Fish on. Huh. Fish on, guys. We're down here in Florida, catching fish in the Everglades. Tell you, I love that black spinnerbait.
Had a hit.
Yeah.
We can watch you at Crystal River.
Yeah, I've never been to Wiki Watchy, but I like to go there.
Pretty interesting. Look at this. Big turtle. Got little bass. Oh, little bass. Alright, go left. Right.
I got this other one. Let me see. There he is.
Crappie.
This thing's full. Crappie on the trout magnet. I think we've done caught about 10 fish this whole, haven't we?
Crappie, come hit this right here. There's a whole school of fish right here, man. Probably 50 or more.
There he is. Ooh, this is a decent fish.
Yep.
On 2-pound line.
2 pounds.
Yeah, you got 2 pounds of this trout magnet. Oh yeah.
Oh man, I got some.
That's 2 for 2 with the camera on. Let's see there. Make it 3 for 3.
That was a load of crappie, dude. A load of them.
Oh God.
Got him.
That little brim. That's 3 for 3.
Shad? I can't tell. There's so
Ah,
many
there he goes.
fish.
Ooh,
There's so many fish. It's hard to tell what they are.
there's a flyer. Look.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's my first flyer this year.
There's a bunch of them in
This old beaver pond. He's not big, but he'll work. 4 for 4.
here. Oh, yellow perch. Yellow perch.
Oh, that was a nice one.
Quick release.
There he is, 5 for 5.
Crappie. Oh, bass, bass.
Jeff's got a bass on right now. I'll take this off. Turn him around here.
Little guy.
It's alright. It's cool. Don't be hating, Steve. Alright guys. Fish on, guys. That's funny, isn't it? He's kind of cute. I like these things for some reason. Look how red his fins are.
I like the perch too.
Alright, just got a big bowfin on. Oh, yes. Don't don't lose them.
I knew that was coming.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Alright guys, Jeff just caught this probably 8-pound bowfin
Black spinner bait.
on a black spinner bait. Probably went about 8 pounds on his gripper. Put up a good fight. Alright. Alright, here he goes. Alright, good job, cool. Fish on guys, 2 at a time. 2 at a time. You already put yours back?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. Let's go film. Jeff's not used to this filming stuff, guys. That's a double though. Fish on, guys.
That's a baby.
It's a baby. Here, you landing for it. Here.
Watch out now, watch out.
He's a baby.
Watch out, we got a big hook on that thing.
Okay, come on. Alright guys, this one hit a black spinner bait. They're killing the black spinner bait. We're gonna get back to fishing. And he's going.